You did a Donald Duck, Layla.
Oh, is it a Christmas tree?
Cool.
No, my Christmas tree. Isn't that cool? At Christmas, I put presents down here. Yeah. Cool, huh?
So how many engines does it play?
Two.
2 inches. Alright. We have a little engine in the back that's running right now. That runs there. And Sully says you can fly with no engines. It's just got to be a glider.
Really?
Remember, you don't remember the Miracle on Hudson?
I do.
Yeah. So he had a glider.
Yeah, he lost both engines.
He had both engines.
And it was on this airplane.
This airplane?
They rebuilt it. It looks good.
Not this exact
Okay.
one, but this model.
Very cool. All right. Well, thank you guys.
Welcome.
Such a treat.
Get your wings and everything?
No.
Let's do that, shall we?
Well, Layla, what'd you get? Show me.
Thank you so much. Layla showed Baba.
Boy, you all live out there? Or you,
Cool. Wow. What you doing? Whoa. What is this? Is this a Batmobile? Woo! Woo! Wow. Go, go, go. Woo! That's awesome. Now turn left. Turn left. Hello, guys.
Hi. Don't back up.
Okay, can you drive your sister? Woo! You're driving. How's your workout today, huh?
Great. It's too short.
Yeah, I know. She added in the Ab Ripper X.
I had to.
Comes Layla. Whoa! You're supposed to go across, silly.
It looks kind of fat, like pig. Is there a fat grandma pig? That's the daddy.
Where's Grammy Pig? Where's George? Where's Peppa?
Oh, they all have names.
Where's Daddy Pig? Where's Mommy Pig? Where's Granny Pig? Where's Grandpa Pig? Who's your
Wow, she knew
favorite?
them all.
Which one's your favorite?
Wow. Look at that. They're all a family.
Oh.
She pointed to the right one on everyone.
These kids love Muddy Puddles so much. Shada keeps pouring water on their carpet and jumping in it and yelling, Muddy Puddle.
That's really funny and really inconvenient.
Yes, my kids never got away with that.